On August 15, 1977, a radio telescope captured a 72-second signal from deep space that remains one of the greatest mysteries in modern astronomy. The detection happened during a routine search for extraterrestrial intelligence at the Big Ear Observatory, an experiment scanning the sky for any sign of a non-natural transmission. Most of the cosmos is a mess of chaotic background radiation, but this detection was different. It was a narrow-band signal with a massive sigma-to-noise ratio, rising sharply out of the static and then fading away. Reviewing the computer printout days later, astronomer Jerry Eman was so shocked by the signal's intensity, he circled the data in red, writing "wow" in the margin. That string, 6EQUJ5, shows it surging to 30 times the intensity of the surrounding deep space vacuum. Unlike natural sources like pulsars, which broadcast across a wide range of frequencies, this signal was extremely narrow and clean, mirroring the output of an artificial transmitter. The most striking detail was the signal's specific frequency, exactly 1420 MHz. This is known as the hydrogen line. It's the frequency produced when a neutral hydrogen atom, the most common element in the universe, flips its electron spin. Astronomers have long theorized that an advanced civilization would use this universal language as a beacon, knowing that any intelligence capable of radio astronomy would be monitoring that exact channel. In the weeks and years following the discovery, teams aimed their best equipment back at that same patch of sky in the constellation Sagittarius. Despite hundreds of attempts to find it again, the signal never returned. It remained a one-time event, never to be verified. In science, repetition is everything. Without a second observation, the wow signal became a cold case, a data point that provides no path for further study. Modern radio astronomy has moved past the analog era, now utilizing massive digital arrays that coordinate across vast landscapes to monitor thousands of frequencies simultaneously. For years, we detected things called fast radio bursts, blips of energy lasting only milliseconds. Much like the wow signal, these were thought to be one-off cataclysms that vanished as soon as they appeared. That changed with the discovery of FRB 1210-2. For the first time, researchers found a source that fired multiple powerful bursts back-to-back. A repeating signal allows scientists to stay locked onto a single coordinate, essentially turning a cosmic mystery into an active wiretap we can monitor in real time. Because the signal repeated, researchers could finally subject it to the rigorous testing and peer review that the 1977 signal lacked. By analyzing these repeated bursts, scientists measured the dispersion measure, the way the radio waves interacted with the matter they passed through to Earth. As a radio wave travels through space, it hits invisible clouds of cosmic plasma. These clouds stretch the wave out, causing higher frequencies to arrive at our sensors slightly before the lower ones. The extreme stretching seen in FRB 1210-02 confirmed its origin. It traveled billions of light-years from far beyond our galaxy. Further analysis showed the waves also experienced extreme polarization. As they exited the plasma, they twisted into a spiral, revealing immensely powerful magnetic fields. These clues lead to a leading suspect, the magnetar. These are neutron stars with magnetic fields trillions of times stronger than Earth's, capable of releasing massive bursts of energy during catastrophic starquakes. To maintain their strength over billions of light-years while surviving such extreme magnetic distortion, these signals must originate from some of the most violent environments in the known universe. Even with the magnetar theory, a problem remains. FRB 1210-02 doesn't fire randomly. The bursts arrive in organized clusters, following timing patterns that our current models can't fully explain. Because the timing is so structured, some in the scientific community argue that we cannot yet rule out the possibility of a signal engineered by an advanced intelligence. We are left balancing two different mysteries: the silent, perfectly clean frequency of the 1977 wow signal and the messy, violent, and repetitive data of FRB 1210-02. Whether we are witnessing extreme, undocumented physics or listening to the beacons of another civilization, the universe is clearly no longer silent, and we finally have the technology